Now see, anybody that does YouTube channels, they receive messages from YouTube, and basically what they do is they tell you how to improve your channel and how to get likes. And one of the deals that they teach you is they tell you to post a cooking video. And so this old pan here, that's about wore out there, so we'll move that out of the picture. There we go. So back to what YouTube teaches you. What they teach you is to do a cooking video. And so this is Captain Hank's cooking video. And what I did was I took a chicken, I defrosted it, then I slapped it in the oven, and after it's got almost done, I took some of the juices that had run out of it. I put the juices back over the chicken, then I sprinkled it with pepper and just a little lemon pepper. Oh, of course I put salt on it too. So now what I'm going to do is to slap it back in the oven, because anybody that knows Captain Hank knows that Captain Hank is not no cooker. So see, I opened the oven there, slap that chicken back in there, which I just spilled half of it all over my stove. So there you go, folks. Captain Hank's cooking video.